Still failing your routines? If you click away right now, you will lose the exact 2026 AI automated habit system that prevents 92% of people from failing. And you'll stay permanently trapped in your exhausting cycle of 3 AM doomscrolling. Today, we are mastering how to build habits that actually stick using the 1% mathematical framework. We aren't relying on fake 2 AM motivation. We are building unbreakable systems specifically designed to bypass your brain's fear center and fix your life for good. What is habit building, really? For years, Sam thought it meant brute forcing his way through a massive, grueling schedule. He wakes up groggy, dreading his 5 AM alarm because he shocked his nervous system. Instead of using the Sleep Cycle app to track his circadian rhythm and wake up naturally in his lightest sleep phase, he forces it. And why does he inevitably fail after exactly 2 weeks? Sam fails because he relies entirely on willpower. Willpower is finite. It is a biological resource that burns out, suffering from a well-documented psychological condition called ego depletion. Every time you resist a temptation, you drain glucose from your prefrontal cortex. By day 14, Sam's willpower tank is empty. He collapses. But here is the turning point. Sam realizes his lack of discipline isn't a character flaw. It is a fundamental systems failure.
Let's destroy the internet's biggest lie right now. You've probably searched for how to build a habit in 21 days. The 21-day rule is a total myth. It was accidentally invented by Dr. Maxwell Maltz, a 1960s plastic surgeon who observed that it took his patients about 21 days to get used to seeing their amputated limbs. But just as Sam commits to changing, an emergency hits. His entire schedule violently collapses, and his brain's fear center instantly hijacks his nervous system, screaming at him to just give up and go back to bed. It has absolutely zero to do with neuroplasticity, behavior change, or human psychology. A comprehensive, peer-reviewed study from University College London proved the truth. It actually takes an average of 66 days to rewire your brain to automate a behavior structurally. As James Clear famously states, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Expecting a miraculous transformation in 21 days guarantees the yo-yo effect of failure and guilt. Sam constantly forgets to do his new routine because he relies on his fragile, stressed-out memory. So he pivots. He uses Habitica to gamify his life, turning chores into RPG quests to manufacture artificial dopamine. We now know the baseline for true habit building is 66 days. Sam realizes he isn't broken. He just needs a step-by-step guide to habit building. But tomorrow, Sam faces his biggest biological threat yet. Will his new 66-day mindset survive a literal hijacking by his own brain?
Let's look at the hard science. Why is habit building so incredibly hard? Because massive, sudden lifestyle changes trigger your amygdala, your brain's primitive fear center. From an evolutionary standpoint, your brain perceives any sudden change in routine as a literal threat to your survival. It wants to keep you safe and comfortable on the couch. Sam realizes he has to act like a behavioral ninja and sneak past his own brain's security system. How? By using the 1% rule. If you improve your life by just 1% daily, mathematically, 1.01 to the power of 365 means you are 37.78 times better in exactly 1 year. You don't trigger the amygdala if the change is microscopic. This compound interest of self-improvement is the absolute core of successful habit building. Whether you're a student drowning in exams or a young professional trying to climb the ladder, channel that main character energy into micro tweaks. Forget extreme dopamine detoxes that leave you miserable and isolated. We are microdosing productivity. But how do we build habits without triggering that fear? You must understand the neurological loop. Cue, craving, response, reward. Sam is addicted to the cue of his phone buzzing, leading to the craving of doom scrolling. His solution? He doesn't just try harder. He uses the Opal app to establish a deep work VPN, automatically blocking all social media at the network level during work hours. Next, his diet is terrible. Instead of starving himself,
He learns how to build healthy eating habits by simply pre-logging his meals in MyFitnessPal the night before, removing the decision fatigue from his morning.
Exhaustingly fighting a craving. Environmental design is passive and permanent. Sam unplugs his TV completely and leaves his phone charging in the kitchen overnight. Friction is the secret weapon of habit building. Make bad habits incredibly hard to do, and good habits entirely frictionless. Hey, if you're getting real, actionable value out of this Science of Habit Building video, hit subscribe real quick to lock in your own 1% daily growth. To permanently lock this in, Sam watches a best habit tracking apps tutorial and builds a 2026-era AI automated Notion dashboard. Before, he lacked clarity and got lost in the weeds. Now, AI automated habit tracking instantly visualizes his daily inputs, giving him an immediate, powerful dopamine hit. Visual tracking leverages immediate positive reinforcement to trick your brain into craving the loop again tomorrow. Sam hits a massive 20-day streak. Habit building is actually working. But life doesn't care about your streak. A massive, unexpected work deadline hits. He's exhausted, running on fumes. On Thursday night, instead of doing his routine, he collapses onto the couch. The streak is broken. Easy ways to start habits are great when the sun is shining. But what happens when you inevitably hit the wall and fail? Is Sam going all the way back to zero?
The streak is dead. Will Sam let one single mistake ruin an entire year of potential progress? Sam wakes up and the guilt is incredibly heavy. It's the what the hell effect taking over. He feels his motivation completely evaporating, threatening to drag him right back to that pathetic 3 AM doomscrolling state. But then, his Streaks app sends him a gentle, AI-automated push notification. Miss once? It's an accident. Miss twice? It's a new habit. Sam looks at his AI-automated tracking data. He takes a deep breath and realizes a profound psychological truth. Missing one single day does absolutely nothing to reset the 1% compound math. Perfectionism is the enemy of consistency. The true underlying definition of habit building is resilience. He asks himself, how do I create lasting habits when life gets chaotic? The answer? Reduce the friction again. Forgive yourself immediately and get right back on the wagon. Millions of highly successful people fail and restart every single day. It's an essential part of the process. Let's synthesize everything into an unbreakable system. The absolute best way to form habits comes down to this exact 4-step checklist. Screenshot this right now. Number 1, ditch the fake 21-day myth and formally commit to the 66-day neurological rewire.
Number 2, use the 1% rule to safely bypass the amygdala's fear response. No massive leaps. Number 3, automate your friction. Use Opal for app blocking and relentlessly design your physical environment to make failure difficult. Number 4, use AI automated habit tracking like Notion for those crucial visual dopamine hits that sustain long-term motivation. 92% of people fail their New Year's resolutions because they rely on 2 AM motivation. But Sam is no longer one of them. Building good habits and breaking bad ones is no longer an exhausting daily chore. It's just his automated default lifestyle. He has successfully hacked his own biology. He has mastered habit building. Click the link in the description or pinned comment below to check it out.
I'm putting exactly 5 seconds on the clock right now. Do not skip this. Tell me in the comments below, what is one specific microhabit you are going to start tracking today? Be hyper-specific. Don't say read more. Say read 1 page before bed. Go. If this complete science-backed guide on habit building completely changed your perspective from willpower to systems, smash that like button to feed the algorithm. Hit subscribe and share this video with a friend who is currently stuck in the endless, exhausting cycle of burnout. You might just change their life. Also, let me know in the comments if you want access to my personal 2026 AI Notion tracking template. Check the pinned comment below for the link.
And make sure to check out our daily YouTube shorts for quick, aggressive dopamine detox reminders and bite-sized habit-building tips that you can consume in under 60 seconds. Keep focusing on your habit-building journey. Master that 1% rule, forgive your failures, and I'll see you in the next video, where we will completely tear down and optimize your morning routine for maximum output. Make sure to check the link in the description below.